I'm Don Roberts, bringing you SEC News in 60 seconds. King Charles III's coronation was marked throughout the conference. West Croydon was among several churches to host a community coronation big lunch street party, with music, food, health expo, bouncy castle, prayer and spiritual advice. It attracted over 100 residents and resulted in 4 Bible study requests. Other reported coronation events include East London School of Music hosting a concert in Hackney Town Hall, featuring Hampstead Adventist Chorale Society, Philharmonic Orchestra and other performers. And the SEC Drum Corps was among the attractions at Newham Council's celebration in Stratford Park. SEC Men's Ministries held a men's health retreat at the De Vere Hotel, Wokefield Estate. And the SEC began a series on loneliness for its Mental Health Awareness Week, hosted by Cornerstone Counselling Service with the Stewardship and Health Ministries departments. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Click the like button and subscribe to our channel to get the latest videos from the SEC.